Asun Skettiä Martin Ter.
Yes, today it's 9th of September 2021. We have Laajavuorenkuja Repäiskyläinen one staircase here in Martinlaakso, Martinlaakso, Vantaa, Vantaa, Western Vantaa here in the Helsinki region, in Finland. It was replaced in early 1998. We have to check the construction. It's sometime in the 1970s, but we'll check it later. The replacement will be 25 years old in 2023. The number is 68987. The best these 4 persons are 320 meters. 6 floors. Unusual ones as they have the Kone walls here and no movement fixtures.
Yeah.
The only thing missing on these elevators are floor indicators outside.
Mm.
And it's the floor indicator is just broken.
Yeah.
Because I think if in all other ones it is still working, then it's just a broken one.
Yeah.
Which has never been replaced. Which they could have done, of course.
Yeah.
Also in sticky state it's also different.
Yeah.
Since the arrows are not working on it. It's just without the arrows.
Yeah. Spektiit paikkivains, mutta mietin paikka on.
I don't like the smell here also.
Same here.
Back to the first floor. And we still have the staircases A, B, E and F left to be filmed.
Yeah.
That means we have 6 out of 10 so far. But of course all of them should be filmed here also.
Yeah.
I said thank you very much for watching.
That's